Alrighty, what is up YouTube? Today we have another playtesting match for you today. It is now Genesis versus Great Nature. Really big powerhouses if you do say so yourself, right Marcel?
I would say so, man.
Powerhouses in this. Let's get it.
Alright, you cut?
Oh yeah. Alright, dice.
Yep. Let's see. Alright, 8.
8.
7.
Alright.
One short.
One short.
I'll put 3 back.
It's busted.
I hate that deck, dude.
Everybody loves this deck. What are you talking about? It's the new waifus.
Nah, dude. I've been reading up on Melissa. Can't hit me as hard anymore.
Why?
Because I know the rulings.
You can't call it over the same circle. You know that, right?
No, you can.
No, you can't.
Yeah, you can.
No, you can't.
The official Bushiroad, they emailed someone and they said you can.
But in the actual rulings, it says you can't call, if they call simultaneously, you can't call in the same circle.
Alright, well, if it comes into this game, then...
let us know, YouTube, because that ruling is ridiculous. We'll go to it.
Alright,
we'll go with yours first. Go ahead.
Alright, draw.
I've seen that post. I was like, I don't know.
Alright, pass turn.
Draw. Let's see. Write that. Draw this. 2, 3, 4, 6, 8.
No guard.
Alphex.
Okay. Heal. Hey, just like the worlds. Stand and draw.
Oh gosh.
Alright, let's see. Ride, Hamsuke.
Yeah.
Call. Alright, I'll swing for 9 first skill. Counterblast. Mill the top card, normal unit, so I draw a card.
Power.
Ooh, that hurts. Alright, 9, 1 to pass. Check. Crit power. 19 crit to Van.
Ouch. 23.
Alright, pass turn.
Oh, that hurts. 9. I don't like your shield. 9 to the shield.
Ah, my Wallaby? Dang, no guard,
like your
dude.
shield.
I love it.
One. Oh, okay, go ahead.
Alright, get rid of that. Stand and draw. Alright, let's go Leopold. Skill, mill the top card. Trigger unit, so it just gains 15k in a crit. Just 15k in a crit.
Just 15k, nothing too bad, right?
Nah, not too bad. Call. Alright, I'll go 9 again. Skill, counterblast 1. Mill, normal unit, so I just draw a card.
9?
Yep.
I'll guard that one.
Alright. Let's go 27 crit to
no
Van.
guard.
Twin drive. First check. Ooh, second check.
Power.
Alright, I'll swing 22 to your 19. Alright. With that, I'll pass my turn.
Oop, where my force markers at? Left all my force markers at home. Did I'm trolling. Alright, we'll go. Force 2.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I'm building a Brago deck.
Okay.
I just wanted to go through a couple of the boxes, see if there are any pieces rattled in there.
Sure, yeah.
There's a few things. My friend opened a mana vault from the last Master set, so I'm gonna trade him for it because I can do infinite combo, infinite mana. Yeah.
Don't do that.
I'm wanting it. Stronic Resonator is one of them. I don't know if that'd be down here. It's in 25 was the last
3.
time it was printed.
Skill.
Mm-hmm.
Plus 40.
Okay. Damn.
I mean, I can do the same.
Reduce by 3, draw 2 cards.
It's all
Okay.
monolith. It's just mana vaults.
No power.
Okay.
You attack with them. You flicker Strionic Resonator.
Battle
or
phase?
you tap Strionic Resonator and a 3-mana source.
9.
And then you
I'll guard with
copy
5.
His flicker activated ability.
53.
Oh, the van?
Yeah.
And then so if you have more than 2 mana,
I'll say no
you
guard to
make
that
a
one.
flicker. You just-
This gives you infinite mana.
Alright, damage check. Critical, give the power to my
So
Vanguard.
as long as I have flash or
31. To your.
I have
You still need something.
You can have it.
Go ahead.
Alright, stand. Draw.
Also,
Right. Shiny Leopold. Skill, mill. Trigger unit, so it gains 15k and a crit. Second check, normal unit, so I get to look at the top 4 and call 2.
That would work.
Hmm.
Yeah. Or whatever. I also opened Fairy, which was fun.
Sure. Which one?
The hero, yeah.
Nice.
So I was like, that's cool. I'll put him in there.
Minus flicker.
Call,
Mm-hmm.
Last turn.
call.
There's plus twice value.
I'm just sad that I can't call grade 3s with the skill.
Right.
You know, if only I could call a bison.
Oh dear.
Try not to throw shade. Move back, call. Alright, let's get this. I'll go start by going off 15 to the rear. Alright. I'll go 17 to Van, Binoculus' skill, Counterblast. Mill a card, trigger unit, so I'll retire your grade 1 in the back. And then give 3 units 5k. So I'll go ahead and give the Pencil Hero, the Vanguard another 5k to put them at 32. And then I'll give it Cell 5k, so it's going to be hitting for 20. Alright. Let me go... You're going to PG?
PG
Alright,
that, yeah.
Twin Drive. First check. Second check, no triggers. And then I'll be swinging 27 to Van. Alright, pass turn.
Reality Acid?
Oh, it's so bad.
$60 or 60-cent card.
So I have the Hemi card, but I don't have the ability.
Oh yeah, that's why I sniped it, dude. Can't have you reducing your Soul Blast.
No, I don't have the trigger.
Oh, wow.
I was trying to dig for the Himika.
Isn't it like a bomb and popper?
I should have just put the trigger in there, but it's fine.
Dang, I was ready for that this turn
With
too.
all the flicker engine.
31.
No guard.
The Salt Monolith thing, it's from Commander, or the most recent version of Commander.
Yeah, I mean, crit power.
Alright, first check. Power to my Vanguard. Second check.
33. Or, not 33 to Van.
33 to my 22.
Yeah,
37.
go ahead.
Alright, stand. And draw. Call Tank Mouse. Monoculus. And another Tank Mouse. Start by going 15 to Van.
Ouch.
18 to Van.
1.
Alright, Twin Drive. First check.
Monolith?
Second check.
No.
Alright, 17 to Van. Skill, Counterblast. Mill the top card. Normal unit, so I just draw a card.
Alright.
Yeah.
Should just put the. I feel like I should just put this in, so I at least get the draw
Yeah.
for the Himikos, but that's unfortunate. That's good.
I mean,
Alright, YouTube.
It's rotated out.